Hey there, welcome back to Bestek today. We're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the best robot vacuums for every home in 2024. Whether you're looking to simplify your cleaning routine or want to upgrade to the latest in home tech, robot vacuums offer convenience and efficiency like never before. Stay tuned as we compare and contrast each model, providing you with everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest reviews and tech updates. Number 5. The innovative world of cleaning technology with the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. This cutting-edge device combines powerful features and intelligent technology to revolutionize home cleaning. Let's explore its capabilities. First off, let's talk about design. The Shark AV2501S features a sleek and modern design in dark gray, with a sturdy build quality that ensures durability. Its compact size allows it to maneuver easily around furniture and tight spaces, while the aesthetic design blends seamlessly into any home decor. Now, onto performance. The AV2501S is equipped with Matrix Clean technology and home mapping capabilities, allowing it to clean your home efficiently and methodically. It navigates with precision, creating detailed maps for optimized cleaning routes. The AV2501S boasts a 30-day capacity HEPA bagless self-empty base, minimizing maintenance and ensuring continuous cleaning without interruption. This makes it ideal for pet owners and busy households dealing with pet hair and allergens. Smart connectivity is another highlight, with Wi-Fi capability enabling seamless integration with the Shark Clean app. From scheduling cleaning sessions to monitoring cleaning progress, you have full control at your fingertips. Number 4. The world of smart cleaning with the Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This cutting-edge device is designed to provide powerful suction and intelligent features for a seamless cleaning experience. Let's explore its capabilities. First, let's talk about design. The Neato D10 showcases a sleek and modern design with a robust build quality that ensures durability. Its compact form factor allows it to navigate effortlessly around furniture and tight spaces, while the XXL dustbin ensures fewer trips to empty it. Now, onto performance. The D10 features laser-smart navigation and smart mapping technology, allowing it to efficiently clean your home with precision. It navigates methodically, creating detailed maps of your space for optimized cleaning routes. The D10's powerful suction capability ensures thorough cleaning of various surfaces, including edges, corners, and carpets. It effectively captures dust, pet hair, and debris, making it ideal for pet owners and busy households. One of the standout features of the Neato D10 is its integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice control and hands-free operation. The Neato app provides additional control, scheduling, and monitoring from anywhere. To sum it up, the Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a game-changer in home cleaning technology. Its smart navigation, powerful suction, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for those seeking efficiency and convenience. Number 3. The future of home cleaning with the Ecovacs Debit X1 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This advanced device combines powerful features and intelligent technology to redefine how you maintain your home. Let's explore its capabilities. First off, let's talk about design. The Ecovacs Debit X1 Omni features a sleek and modern design in black, complemented by a compact build that enhances its maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. The build quality is sturdy, ensuring durability and reliability. Now, onto performance. The Debit X1 Omni offers powerful 5,000 pascals suction for thorough cleaning of both hard floors and carpets. Its innovative 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality includes auto wash, auto refill, and auto hot air drying, ensuring your floors are not only cleaned but also maintained hygienically. One of the standout features of the Debit X1 Omni is its AIVI 3D obstacle avoidance technology. This advanced system allows the robot to navigate around obstacles intelligently, minimizing collisions and optimizing cleaning efficiency. Smart connectivity is another highlight, with the built-in YIKO voice assistant providing hands-free control. The Debit app offers convenient scheduling, real-time monitoring, and room-specific cleaning settings, making it easy to customize your cleaning experience. Number 2. The cutting-edge technology of the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This device promises to revolutionize home cleaning with its innovative features and powerful performance. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about design. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra sports a sleek and modern design in black, with a compact footprint that allows it to navigate tight spaces effortlessly. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability and longevity. Now, onto performance. The S7 Max Ultra combines powerful 5,500 pascals suction with advanced mop capabilities. It features auto mop drying and washing, ensuring your floors are not only vacuumed but also mopped effectively. The self-emptying and self-refilling functions further enhance convenience. Reducing maintenance tasks. One of the standout features of the Roborock S7 Max Ultra is its reactive AI obstacle avoidance technology. This allows the robot to intelligently navigate around obstacles, avoiding collisions and ensuring a thorough cleaning path without getting stuck. Smart connectivity is another highlight, with the Roborock app providing precise control over cleaning schedules, mapping, and room-specific settings. It supports Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, offering hands-free operation. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra's high-capacity battery ensures long cleaning sessions, covering large areas on a single charge. Its advanced sensors detect carpets and automatically increase suction power for deeper cleaning. Number 1. The iRobot Roomba S9 Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum, a top-tier device designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Let's dive into the features and performance. First, let's talk about design. The Roomba S9 boasts a sleek, modern look with a unique D-shaped design that enhances its ability to clean corners and edges effectively. The premium finish and compact form allow it to blend seamlessly into any home decor. Now, onto performance. The S9 offers powerful suction that can tackle dirt, dust, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. Its advanced 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, and eliminates dirt with precision, making it ideal for pet owners and busy households. One of the standout features of the Roomba S9 is its self-emptying capability. The Clean Base automatic dirt disposal allows the S9 to empty itself into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, meaning you can forget about vacuuming for weeks at a time. Smart mapping and advanced sensors enable the S9 to navigate and clean your home efficiently. It detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring thorough cleaning around furniture and other objects. The S9 also offers personalized cleaning schedules and maps, accessible via the iRobot Home app, giving you complete control over your cleaning routine. The S9's corner and edge cleaning feature utilizes perfect edge technology with advanced sensors and a specially designed brush to tackle hard-to-reach areas. Whether it's tight corners or along baseboards, the S9 handles it with ease.